Hey guys, let's see how we can create a customer invoice. Moving on to the sales module. To create a customer invoice from the scratch itself, we need to create a quotation first. Then we need to confirm that into a sale order. After onwards, you will see a button which is customer invoice to create. So there we have the quotation and I'm going to specify with the customer name. After onwards, I want to add the product. So you can simply provide all the details about your product and the quotation itself. And once we are done with that, I'm going to confirm this quotation into a sale order. Once a quotation is moved from the quotation to the sale order, now you can see here we have an option which is triggered. This is a smart button to create invoices. So you can simply click on this option and there you will get a wizard like this. There we have three options to create an invoice, which is in a regular way. There we have down payment in a percentage and a fixed way. So regular invoice means what you done inside a quotation, like the total amount including the tax and everything is there. But if you're just clicking on these two options, which is a down payment and a percentage or fixed amount, you guys are allowing your customer to pay this amount in a partial basis or in a down payment basis. So you guys are splitting up one invoice into two in a percentage or a fixed amount. So let me show you that in a regular way. So by clicking on the draft invoice, now you can see here in Odoo, first of all, we are creating a draft invoice, then we can simply post it later. Okay. So you can edit the invoice date, the customer and the due date, and there we have the currency. So if you want to edit anything inside from the draft invoice, you can simply do that. And there you can see this is the total amount for this invoice. After onwards, simply click on the confirm option. Okay. By clicking on the confirm option, we are just changing the stage from the draft to the post. And if you want to see how the customer invoices actually look alike, you can simply click on the preview option. Ta-da! This is your customer invoice that you guys are sent to the customer, which is ABC Traders. So that's all about this video.